Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip back in time to look at a true American classic, the 1980 Chevrolet Caprice. A car that defined big-bodied comfort and solid performance in the late 70s and early 80s. Let's dive into its iconic design, plush interior, and solid powertrain. Stick around, this is going to be a nostalgic ride. Exterior. The 1980 Chevrolet Caprice represents the tail end of a more restrained design era. This model was part of the downsized B-body platform introduced in 1977, which made the Caprice lighter and more fuel-efficient, yet still full-size by every standard. You've got a full-size 4-door sedan and a 2-door coupe to choose from. It features rectangular sealed beam headlights, a chrome-accented grille with horizontal slats, and distinctive quad taillights at the rear. The wide chrome bumpers have integrated turn signals, and the car usually rides on steel wheels with full wheel covers and whitewall tires. This body style struck a balance between luxury and function. Long, low, and wide, it looked serious and had a presence, especially in darker colors like navy blue or burgundy. Interior. Step inside the Caprice, and you're greeted by a cavernous interior that prioritizes comfort above all else. This was peak bench seat luxury. You get front and rear bench seats, often finished in velour or cloth. Many models offered a 6-way power-adjustable driver's seat. The dashboard spans full width and features wood-grain trim. The audio system included an AM/FM radio with optional 8-track or cassette player. You'll find an analog speedometer, fuel and temperature gauges, and a clock, simple and effective. Climate control was straightforward, with optional air conditioning available for added comfort. Chevy focused on keeping things simple yet plush. You've got ample legroom, a sofa-like ride, and that classic American dash design. No touchscreens or digital nonsense, just good old-fashioned gauges and knobs. Performance. Under the hood, the 1980 Caprice came with a variety of engine options, depending on trim and market. Most models featured a 305 cubic inch, or 5.0-liter, V8, though a smaller 4.4-liter and a larger 5.7-liter V8 were also available. That 5.0-liter V8 produced about 150 horsepower, paired with a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive kept the handling traditional. It did 0 to 60 in around 12 seconds, and you could expect about 15 to 18 miles per gallon, not bad for a big V8 cruiser. The ride is smooth, the steering is light, and the suspension soaks up bumps like a champ. You're not going to win any races, but the Caprice wasn't about speed, it was about comfort, reliability, and that classic V8 rumble. So, what do we think of the 1980 Chevrolet Caprice? Well, it's more than just a car, it's a time capsule. It represents an era when cars were built big, bold, and comfortable. While it might not be the most high-tech or efficient ride by today's standards, its charm lies in its simplicity and solid engineering. It's a great example of late 70s and early 80s American automotive design. Ideal for collectors and fans of vintage cruisers. Parts are still pretty affordable, and reliability is strong. It's a true highway cruiser, not a sports car. If you're into classic American sedans, the Caprice is absolutely worth a second look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more vintage car content. See you next time.